Smile, hello friends. I'm Dr. Salma Mehdi, Senior Sujok Therapist and Consultant from Visakhapatnam, India. Today, my Sujok tip is the gift for all the subscribers who are suffering from their partner's snoring problem. Actually, snoring is not a very big problem, but it creates a lot of nuisance in others' life. Actually, if you see, just about everyone snores occasionally. Snoring happens when you can't move air freely through your nose and throat during sleep. This struggle makes surrounding tissue vibrates, which produces the snoring sound. People who snores often have too much throat and nasal floppy tissues that is more prone to vibrate and produce loud snore. Snoring is usually not something to worry about. It can disturb and disrupt yours and your near and dear ones' quality of sleep, leading to daytime fatigue, irritation, increase other relationship problem and health issues. So this we need to address. So here I am going to give you a very simple solution, Sujok solution. You can take lemon seed, which you are using daily. Just a lemon seed can give you a big relief. I'll show you how and where to apply. This is the lemon seed, single seed, and we have to put it on the nose correspondence area. This is the nose correspondence area in your thumb. This point can be applied in the night, kept overnight, and as you get up morning you remove. This treatment can be done in both the thumbs every day. So just this lemon seed, apply here like this, lightly, should not have pressure on your thumb, just lightly apply the seed and keep it overnight. Alternate days, keep shifting the seed from left thumb to right thumb to left thumb every day, and do it for say around 15 to 20 days to see the improvement in your snoring. Along with this, friends, we need to do little bit of exercise. Pranayama is a very good exercise for nasopharyngeal tract, which will strengthen the tissues, the loose floppy tissues of your trachea area. Then you have to little bit check your sleeping posture. Please avoid sleeping on the stomach because that creates a lot of sound, and straight on your back also creates a lot of sound because the epiglottis and loose fatty tissues falls over the trachea opening and that starts creating sound. So these two tips, if you can add with your nasal point, lemon seed on your thumb, this can really help you a lot. So if you like these tips and if it is effective, please leave your comment in comment box, and personalized consultation for suppose sleep apnea and more difficult and little more complicated conditions, you can consult us and we'll be happy to help you. And if you want to know how this science is working and how Sujok helps, please watch my standard correspondence system video, which will explain you how the system is functioning. And if you like my tips, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and happy sleeping without any disturbance. Thank you, friends.